Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing in the microwave this Caesar's Kitchen Cacio e Pepe. Now we also did this in the stovetop, so if you're wondering how to make it on the stove, I'll link that video down below, but today we're doing the microwave directions, so we've got everything that we need here. The actual product here, we've got a microwave safe bowl. We've got a lid to put on top of it. They just want you to cover it with something. I'm just gonna use a Tupperware lid. You could also use a microwave safe plate or whatever you've got. We've got some measuring spoons because we are gonna need some tablespoons of water, and then a fork to just stir it up. So first thing we need to do is place our desired amount of nests into our microwave safe bowl. I'm just gonna do 2 nests today, so I'm gonna just pop those in there. Just like that. And then we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of water over the top of them. There's 1 tablespoon right over the top. And then all we're going to do is cover up our bowl like so. We're gonna pop this in the microwave for 1 minute for right now. All right, it's just come out of the microwave after 1 minute. We're just gonna give this a little stir. Just loosen up the spaghetti noodles as you can. One of these is definitely a little bit looser than the other, but I'm just gonna be gentle and give it a little zhuzh. Next, we're just gonna place this back into the microwave for another 1 minute. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it has just come out of the microwave after its second 1 minute span, and this is what we've got. We're just gonna give it a good stir. Now, so far, after having cooked this both ways, stovetop and microwave, I'd say that it's looking a little bit better out of the microwave, but if you guys wanna know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would buy this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.